are only two people who can call themselves filmmakers and who have had the command and control over the film language, the narrative, everything. The first one is Balu Mahindra, the next one is Mani Ratnam.
I never thought I'll take that as a career at all. I was just interested. I was interested slightly more than the person sitting next to me in the theatre. Probably I knew a little more than the guy sitting next to me. That's all. Never thought that will be something which you would end up doing or with you capable of doing. So it was just an accident that pushed me into this.
We are there. We all like film. We all like stories, and the Indians basically like so. It is a medium which is fascinating. Only thing, the way we deliver might change. Not everybody is coming to the theatre. They're watching at home. They're watching it on mobiles. And we as filmmakers have to learn to accept it and see how best to use it. So, and yeah, how do you keep in connect with younger generation? I think I look at myself first as an audience. I've been there, sitting in the theatre so many years, and all my learning is from there. When you make a film also, you first making it from there. You're aware where people can make noise, where they can shout, what they will shout. It's a pleasure that you can never get watching alone at home. So, it's magic. It's magic to see something so much larger than life with so many people in a dark room. It's really magic. So it fascinates me even today, and just like it fascinates a lot of people today. So it is very easy to put yourself in those shoes.
யார்கிட்டயும் போய் சொல்ல முடியாது. தியேட்டர்ல உட்கார்ந்து இது என்னோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் படங்க, கொஞ்சம் மன்னிச்சுக்கங்க, அடுத்த படம் சரியாயிடுவேன்னு சொல்ல முடியாது. ஸோ இதில் there no excuse for slipshod work. It is output, and அந்த அவுட்புட் நிற்க போகுது. அதுதான் கடைசி வரைக்கும் உங்களுக்கு திரும்பி திரும்பி பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். I think எல்லாத்துலேயுமே it has got that shade which is imperfect. There's nothing called perfect. Just because there was a platform to say you don't have to speak. You should be able to convert that speech into something. அது வெறும் வாய்ஸ் பண்ணிட்டு விட்டுட்டு போய் அதனால யூஸ் இருந்ததுன்னா then it's very good. People who are responsible should go out and do. But எடுத்துக்கிட்டா அது நல்லா பண்ணணும், ஃபுல்லாக பண்ணணும், உள்ளே இறங்கி பண்ணணும். ஸோ நம்ம வெறும் தொட்டுட்டு வந்துட முடியாது. வெறும் போய் ஏதோ ஒரு இதுக்கு போனோம். It should not be a obligation. It should be a commitment.
சினிமாங்கிறது இட்ஸ் ஆர்ட் as well as காமர்ஸ். இதில் எக்கனாமிக்ஸும் இருக்குது. இதை நம்ம அக்செப்ட் பண்ணிட்டு தான் ஆகணும். லிட்ரேச்சர்லேயோ இல்லை ஆர்ட்லேயோ ஒன்று மறைக்கிறதுனால அது காணா போயிடாது. ஒரு உண்மையை மறைக்கிறதுனால கார்பெட் கடியில் வச்சு மேலே போட்டு ஏதாவது மூடிட்டா அதுக்காக அது இல்லைன்னு ஆயிடாது. அப்படி மேனிப்புலேட் பண்ணுற மாதிரி தெரிஞ்சுன்னா நான் செய்கிறது சரியாக செய்யலைன்னு அர்த்தம். அது போகிற போக்கில் வருது தான். யதார்த்தமாக இன்னைக்கு லைஃப்பில் நடக்கிற சம்பவம் தான் ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் பண்ணப்படுது. அது இது ஒரு ப்ரோக்ரெசிவாக நான் ஒன்று சொல்கிறேன் பாருங்கிறதுக்காக முயற்சி எடுக்கல. அது வெறும் ரிஃப்ளெக்ஷன் தான் நான் நினைக்கிறேன். யூ பிலீவ் இது தப்புன்னு நம்ம யாரும் நினைக்கல. இது இந்த பிரிட்டிஷ் ஆளுங்க நமக்கு ஒரு இதை போட்டு போயிட்டாங்க, ஒரு கவசத்தை போட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. இந்த விக்டோரியன் ஆட்டிடியூட் நம்ம கையில் கொடுத்துட்டு போயிட்டாங்க. அதுக்கு முன்னாடி லார்ட் லிபரேட்டடாக இருந்தோம் நம்ம அதை பற்றி. இப்போ அவங்களோட ஆட்டிடியூட் அவங்க விட்டுட்டாங்க, நம்ம வச்சுட்டு இருக்கோம். இன்னும் சிலதெல்லாம் மூடி தான் மறைக்கணும், சிலதெல்லாம் பேசக்கூடாது, காட்டக்கூடாது, சொல்லக்கூடாது. அது ஏதோ தப்பான விஷயம் மாதிரியே நம்ம அது கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிட்டோம். பட் ஐ டோன்ட் திங்க் கம்பெனி எழுதும்போது அது தப்பாக தெரியல. We as makers should understand that the audience want to watch it in a particular way. We should facilitate that instead of giving them opportunity to take it in an illicit way. I think man-woman relation, that's where human beings or any this one is built. The DNA is built for human beings to be attracted to the opposite sex. That is a part of our growth. It's a part of our survival. So I think social media is there. There's nothing. You can't close your eyes and pretend that it's not there. It is there, and everybody has an opinion. People always had opinions. Only today the opinions are open and it's exchanged and it is multiplied several times.
So you're saying it's part of life. You got to.
You are. Yeah. You are in this world, and no one promised you a rose garden. You have to go with it.
You have to move on.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to do what you do well and hope for the best. Actually, I don't believe that I should say something to society.
Okay.
I really don't believe in it.
Okay.
I don't believe it is the job of my film to, tell stuff. I'm just reflecting. I've never seen anybody else who cares for every element of his output, every element. So it kind of sets the bar, and that's the way I would like anybody in any field to put out their work, is so meticulous, so particular about every detail of it that you're so glad that you don't have to worry about it. It's an absolute safe hands. You just have to make sure that you are able to inspire him enough to give it to you.
When I understood what a money shot was, it is what comes at the right time and brings a reaction.
Right.
Not just not to that it can go in a trailer and bring money in. Didn't think of it that way. I think any filmmaker has to work within economics. I mean, has to be aware of the budget. Can't just say I'm creating this masterpiece, so I'll just go on and on and on.
Go to the first day of shoot, it's just like you go for the first time. And it's not, I'm just not saying it as a statement, it's honest. Every time you have to get up and learn that, to discover this film. It is there in abstract form, you have to find it, shape it, and be able to deliver it.
Yeah, and I don't do anything. I delegate everything.
Okay.
My job is to get the best out of them. That's what I do. I try to just give them the perspective, give them the situation, give them the background in which it is happening, and tell them to reach for it, not to be shy, not to hold back, not to to try, not be afraid of falling. However difficult it was for you to shoot doesn't matter. Finally it is the film that matters. You should be willing to let go of anything. Probably invariably the best scenes that you've done will not be there in the film.
It's not that you do anything different, you do it with honesty. Sometimes when you're either in sport or in this one, you're not trying all the time to play safe. You're not trying to, just be within, You're trying to push yourself, you're trying to do things, you're not scared of falling. You might fall once, twice, thrice, but if you're confident that you can get up and run again, then you should keep trying. So it's not a surprise when something is successful. It's not. So you just accept it and move on. You don't have to take people telling this literally. You believed in it all the time. You believe that you're good, you're capable of doing this, you're capable of doing real quality work. That's what you believe in. And so when it comes your way, you accept it and go on. When you don't deliver is when you have to have strength to get up and run again. The last step, at every stage, whether it is professional or otherwise, there's a point at which you can say, yes, that's good. But if you say that's good, but can we get a little more? That extra step that you take, one extra step that you need to take to reach for something more than just good, more than just settling for the, what is acceptable, but trying for that slightly unknown thing, in every step that you take is really, I think it's not always that you can do it, but whenever you can, you try to do that, and that is what is really, I would say, is that search for that unknown. The earliest strong influence that I had, which marked, it still gives me the target, is Kurosawa. He's a real master that I've internationally. Amongst the Indian filmmakers, I think Gurudutt, Tamil film, probably K. Balachandra was very significant. I think every good film, inspires you. I think influences you. And similarly, every bad film influences you. That's what tells you what you should not be doing. So you learn as much when you grow, as much from a bad film as you learn from a good film. So you're very sure that those are things that should never be done on films. So you should have strong likes and strong dislikes, I think, to be able to be a filmmaker.
One quality that someone needs to be a filmmaker.
Perseverance.
Perseverance.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
I thought you'd say passion.
Maybe perseverance more. In terms of getting, passion came, imagination came. Hard work. Everything's there. But I think perseverance. It's so easy to settle. So easy to say, okay, this should do. To just take that last step is what keeps you going. You should have the strength to take that extra step.
Yours sincerely, a Mani Ratnam fan forever.